Hi. I apologize for all the stuff in the back. It's pretty messy in this office. Okay, so this is the Rubik's Cube, and I'm just going to do it. Alright, take a peek. It's pretty mixed up. It's really hard for me to mix this thing up because when you know how to do it, just the way your hand moves, it doesn't get mixed that well, I guess. So, alright, let's get started. There's your yellow cross. There's your bottom. There's your complete bottom middle row. Now the top. There's your top cross. Bam, bam. There's that. Oh my god, look at it! It's almost done! Okay, that got a little tricky there. Alright. And there you go. Done. 3 minutes, and I was just taking my time. Bye.